This is 22 inches, baby. Stiff wear. This is a bad right here. When I come in, y'all salute me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be sponsored by Ulahair. They sent me their glueless headband wig, 22 inches in the style straight. This is 100% human hair. Inside of the package also includes 5 beautiful headbands, all different colors. And I love the fact that you have different options when styling your wig. It also includes 2 wig caps, a rat tail comb, and some pretty eyelash extensions. All right, so we're gonna jump right into this wig review. Let me just start off by saying I'm so excited to try this because if you are natural, you already know sometimes it can be a struggle to style your hair, and sometimes you just want to throw something on your head and call it a day, especially if you have a busy schedule, work, kids, school, whatever the case may be. As you can see, I have a 22-inch human hair, no lace, no glue headband wig, y'all. Let's just talk about how soft this hair is, how authentic this actually looks. And the reason why I went with the straight is because my hair is naturally curly, so I wanted to try something a little bit different. Let's just talk about the deets, all right? As you can see here, there is a soft silky headband that goes around the front of your hair, and I really like this because again, our edges are very fragile, so anything that is rough material or any fabric that's not soft can definitely damage your edges. So being that this is really soft, you know your edges is going to be okay. It also comes with a velcro strap at the back to adjust it to your liking, and inside it comes with 4 different combs. There's a comb at the top, a comb at the bottom, as well as 2 combs on the side to give you that security and that stability. One of the reasons why I was always a little skeptical with wearing wigs is because being afraid that my wig is going to get snatched off, but the combs is going to give you that tight hold so you don't have to worry about your wig going nowhere. As you can tell, I braided my hair back. I kind of struggled because my hair is really long and thick, but we made it do what it do. I just braided it into 4 and then I slicked my edges. What I did here was I left a little bit of my hairline out just to make it look more realistic. You could probably wear it however you want to, but we're going for the real, okay? We're going for the authentic look. But disclaimer, this is my first time, y'all. Let's just hope for the best, right? Okay, I'm already feeling brand new. Let me tell you something. If you're worrying about your hair going anywhere, not with these combs, honey. This joint got my forehead pushed back. Headband is a little loose around my head because I have a little small head. Going with the Ula comb, and we just gonna comb this a little bit. Probably gonna bump the ends a little bit just to make it look really nice. I love this, and it doesn't feel too, like, it's comfortable fitting as well. For the headband, I just scrunched it a little bit tighter. You know, you can make it thicker. I didn't like the thick band, so I just scrunched it back a little bit. You don't even have to keep it down. I'm pretty sure you can style it different ways. I'm gonna try to show you guys different styles, how I would wear it. We're gonna bump these ends a little bit.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Feel like a whole brand new feeling myself right now, y'all. I'm feeling myself, as I should, as you should.
Your love is a 1 in a million. Goes on and on and on.
It's so cute. I don't even want to wear the headbands, but I'm gonna try the headbands on for you guys, even though I really don't care for headbands. But Ulahair sent me 5 different headbands. We got a little pink one with the pearls. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see what it's looking like. It's cute, but again, headbands is just not my thing, so I prefer no headband. Like, I'm just not a headband type of girl. It's cute. I guess maybe if I had an outfit on to go with it. I think I could rock this one. Yeah, this one is giving more me. I feel like the first one was a little too thick and bulky. But yeah, this one is cute. What I like about this wig is that it doesn't look too puffy. Sometimes when you wear lace fronts or you wear wigs, if your roots look real puffy, you could tell off the rip that it's not your hair. But this is like deceiving. You're gonna have to give me a scalp check in order to see if this is mine or not. This is giving all type of baddie vibes, okay? This is the 3rd headband. I like this one too. You know what it is? I'm not really a floral type of person, so maybe that's what it is. But I feel like this looks cute with my outfit. It complements it. Okay. It's giving more. It brings out your wig. So, you know, I understand the whole point of headbands. It adds more to your look. It makes your outfit pop. Then we have this blue headband right here. This is cute. I like this one too. They're all pretty much the same. It's just different colors, different patterns. But I really like this one too. My favorite would be the one before this. I really like it, but they're all cute. I guess it just depends on your style and your outfit for the day. Pretty in pink. Love it, love it, love it. It definitely brings out the wig a lot. I really like it. Personally, I prefer to just rock it without, but I wanted to show you guys all of the looks, the styles of the headbands. If I could rate this wig, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because number one, it's really affordable. Number two, it's human hair, so you can play with it, you can curl it, you can style it however you want to. And number three, it's comfortable fitting. I go for things that are comfortable, even down to my clothes and my shoes. That's what really counts. I feel so comfortable. The headband is not too tight around my edges, which is something that I really focus on because, like I said, our edges are very fragile and a lot of manipulation can definitely damage your edges. I just love it. It just feels so good. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all, this is just, I got stuff to do. I gotta go to work. I don't have time to do my hair. I'm gonna just throw this on. I got class in like 15 minutes. Let me just throw this on and keep it moving. It's just giving all types of just quick fix, but you're still slaying it. I really like this. I'm new to wigs and stuff like that, being that, you know, I focus on just my natural hair, but it's good to switch your hair up. It's good for change. Also, if you wanna give your hair a break, this is a protective style for you, okay? Put your hair in some braids and pop this on, okay? And call it a day. So, you guys let me know what you think about this. I'm having a lot of fun with this, but I want to see about some other styles. So let's try maybe 3 styles and see how it looks. So for me, I'm more of a updo type of girl most times, you guys know. This is a half up, half down. This look, okay? Don't play with her. Don't play with her. It swings, okay? It's not stiff. Stiff wear, it swings, baby. It has bounce. A little top knot bun. Do a little, like a little loose top knot bun and still rock it. Look. You could just put it in a little clip or whatever and still leave some hair down. So many different ways and so many different styles you could play with this. That's what I like. I like the versatility of this because sometimes you're hot, you may be sweating or whatever, and you just still want to, you know, you want to be able to pin your hair up. You don't want to feel like you are limited to styling your wig, and this is giving all types of versatility. So all I'm gonna say is I am completely sold. Love this glueless headband. It is giving everything that it's supposed to give. You guys let me know what you think about it as well. Also, if you're interested in getting your own no lace, no glue headband wig, I will be sure to put all of the information down below. Wait, it gets better. I also got you guys on a 50% discount if you click the link in my description, and that will save you a whole bunch on your own wig. They also have different varieties and different styles, bob cuts. They also do have frontals if you're into that. I'll be sure to put their link down below, as well as this actual headband wig that I got. Also, don't forget, if you enter my code, I'll put it right here, and I'll also put it in the description below. You save you 50% off, baby. So you went in today, okay? Today's a good day for all of us. Pretty much wraps up the video. I love the way my hair looks. I'm sold. I'm probably going to get more. I'm going to invest in more, and I'm going to put all my people on because this is definitely a game changer. Enjoy. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think. Again, thank you Ulahair for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.